Hello friends, welcome to the channel How to Discover. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix the problem of YouTube and Play Store not working on your mobile phone or your any device. For this, you have to open up your mobile settings and open the app management. Now you have to open the app list and you have to search Google Play Store. There you can see, click on it and click on the storage and cache. There you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. So you have to click on the clear cache. Now you have to come back. In the same way, if the YouTube is not working, you have to open the YouTube app and click on the storage and cache and click on the clear cache. Now you have to come back and press the power button of your phone. There you can see the option of restart. Now you have to restart your mobile. I hope after the restart you will be able to open the Play Store, or you will be able to open the or use the YouTube app on your mobile phone. I hope you can understand the video. If you have any question about this video, please mention in the comment. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.